Hello and welcome. This is an AI-generated ABI video. Now, memes.
Wow.
Put your head between your knees.
Dr. Grant, my dear Dr. Sattler, welcome to Dark. How'd you do this? I'll show you.
Kärsivä opiskelija.
No niin, ilmeisesti on.
Keskeytämme tämän lähetyksen tärkeillä uutisilla. YTL lisää ensi keväänä uuden arvosanan YO-kirjoituksiin. Uutta arvosanaa kutsutaan niin sanotuksi neljänneksi ja viimeiseksi iiksi. Arvosana on varattu niille, jotka kärähtävät plagioinnista. Siksi arvosanaa kutsutaan imposteraatturiksi.
I'm just like you.
You are?
You're just like me. There's somewhere else we'd rather be. Somewhere that's ours. Somewhere the dreams come true. Yes, I am a girl like you. You'd never think that it was so. But now I've met you and I know it's plain as day, sure as the sky is blue, that I am a girl like you.
Really. But it's alright. I mean, I'm used to it. And you?
Well,
There is only one thing worse than a rapist. Boom.
A child.
No.
Taitaa tyttö tietää, että olisi seinän takana patukkaa tarjolla.
Heklun vessa starter pack. Number 1. See-through toilet paper. Number 2. Bring your own lock. Number 3. Bring your own mirror. Number 4. People knocking on the door when you are trying to do business. And finally, whatever the fuck this is. Anyway, it's over now. Unless
We're no strangers to love. You know the rules, and so do I. Our full commitment's what I
Rikrollattiinko sitä joku?
Voi herran tuutelis